Welcome to episode 58. And as you all know, we have started with the main flooring for the living and dining area. And today, most of the flooring of living and the dining area has been successfully completed. So, we are gearing up. The fall ceiling is also completed. Fall ceiling on this site, I am maintaining very plain and simple design. In the master bedroom, we have completed the wall punning work. There are few patches which will be completed tomorrow, but majority of it has been completed. Uh, Now we are actually thinking of starting the carpentry from the next week. So we are just waiting for the kids' bedroom wall punning to get dried up, and from next week the carpentry also would commence. So guys, thank you so much for being with me in this journey. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so very much. Bye.